Yo guys, hope you guys are doing okay. Hope you are trading, hope you're winning. Yeah, situations have not been very good in the market, but as the analysis for last week, if you guys go check on the weekly analysis, you will see that we have actually been making good progress. Now, those weekly updates and weekly analysis videos are not getting really good reactions from you guys. They are the least viewed videos on the channel. I don't think you guys really see the value in the weekly analysis. So I am doing this video as a test video to see if you guys really want me to continue with the weekly analysis. If you don't want me to continue with the weekly analysis, don't like the video, don't comment, don't watch the video till the end. But if you really like and want me to continue, please like the video, comment, and watch the video till the end so that you get the value of it. I'll be able to look at how the video does. If it doesn't do well, I will not be posting any more weekly analysis. I'll just be sharing the signals on the Telegram. So without taking any longer, let's go and look at the review for last week's analysis and see how the trades worked out. And hopefully you guys will get value for the week that is coming ahead, because I'll also analyze the charts for the week that is coming up ahead. So thank you guys for watching. Let's go on to the charts now. Yeah, so guys, we are on the charts here. We are on the charts. We are now looking at we're looking at GBP USD. So we will start with GBP USD. I think we did analyze GBP USD on FXCM. Okay, did analyze it on FXCM. So we'll just go over it, see what's going on. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Let's see the 4-hour chart. So this is the analysis that we did last week for GBP USD. And I told you guys that the bias for this market is down to this level of structure here. And I gave you a scenario that if it pushes up and breaks above this yellow zone here, then it will retest and push higher. But if it does not do that, then I told you guys to continue holding this trade here. Okay, I told you to continue holding this trade. Let's first unlock it. I told you to continue holding this trade. And as you can see, this trade is still playing out. It is still up and down. Right now, it is at a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio in profit. So you can see that the market went up to this golden zone last week perfectly, rejected it, and continued lower. So we are still holding a bearish bias for GBP USD until this level is broken. I have seen many people saying that GBP USD is going to go bullish. Well, I cannot tell you that I am God or I know what the market will do, but based on the analysis that I see, GBP USD should continue lower unless otherwise. Okay, so we are still having a bias for GBP USD to come down to that level. Then from here is when we'll look to buy. Okay, unless if it breaks above here. So this coming week, please continue holding this GBP USD trade and wait for it to play out. Let's look at GBP JPY. Let's look at GBP JPY. So for GBP JPY, we were stopped out of this trade. We were stopped out of this trade. So this is the scenario. I had told you that GBP JPY would come to this level and then it would sell from this level. And it indeed did come to this level and continue to sell, but there was momentum that was created in the market, pushing price above this level here. Let's just extend these levels in front so that we can be able to see and appreciate the movement. Okay, so it came and broke above that level. Okay, broke above that level, and then it went to this level and rejected this level and started selling off. Now that area there, you could call it a supply zone. It came to the supply zone and then now it is selling off. So what do I see? So this trade on GBP JPY did fail. Okay, it failed unless you were trailing your stops on this trade, but it failed. That analysis did not work out the way I anticipated for it to work out. So what is the analysis for GBP JPY right now? GBP JPY, we can see that it is throwing wicks here around this area. So this area here has a potential level, okay? Has a potential level which is causing those rejections, okay? So we'll just extend this a bit in front so that we have a better view. Okay, so GBP JPY right now is having rejections around this level here. So what I expect this coming week is I expect GBP JPY to push a bit higher to this level again, okay? Then we can sell it to that level. So we have this scenario here. So what we'll do, we'll wait for GBP JPY to come to this level, give us a bearish engulfing or bullish bearish engulfing candle here. Then we can sell it to this for a 1 to 2. If it breaks this level, we will trail and hold up to this level here, okay, which will be a 1 to 4. So this is the scenario I'm waiting for GBP JPY. If it comes to this level here and does not give us a confirmation for a sell but breaks above like this, okay, and gives us some retest and rejections here, then we can buy and hold this to that level. Okay, so that's GBP JPY. That is GBP JPY. So let's look at gold. Let's look at gold. So for gold, we have our charts on forex.com. Remember I told you about 2 weeks ago that if it breaks above this level and retests, then we can enter in. This is setup is still playing out for gold. And if you're holding the gold trade, I would ask you to move your stop, just move it above break even, okay? Just move your stop loss to this red line above break even so that you have a risk-free trade. Hold it until it takes profit, okay? So for this week, we will still continue holding gold to that level, okay? So that is the scenario for gold. That's the update. And then we'll look at Bitcoin. So with Bitcoin, we can see that this market, as I had told you, people who have been following this Bitcoin analysis for 3 months or so know that I put this analysis as on the daily chart, and also the entries are going to be on the daily chart, okay? Because it's a long term hold. If you've been following this signal here, you are going to be eating a lot from this. You're going to be getting a lot of money, guys, because I told you I actually started analyzing that chart when it was here around July, okay? And I told you it would come down to this level here. Perfectly, it came to this level. And I told you when it comes to this level and does not break through, because I have 3 scenarios. I have this scenario where it breaks through, retests, and comes down to about 20,000, okay? Then it will push from there. Then I told you the second scenario, I told you if it comes to this level and starts giving us rejections on this level, then we know that it is going to push back up to 30,000, which it has done here. And then I told you that after it reaches 30,000, it is going to quickly move to 50,000. So Bitcoin is still moving, and it's going to move now. It's going to move quickly. After this small consolidation, it's going to move quickly to 50K. Okay? So that is it for Bitcoin. For Euro USD, it has not yet given us the movement that we want. It is still playing above the level that I wanted it to break below. You see that? You see here. It hasn't yet broken below this level. Okay? It hasn't yet. Yes, I have some experimental trade I had put on here on Euro USD, but it's not a good trade to take, okay? This is not a good trade to take. Just wait for Euro USD to break this level here. If it breaks this level, just take your short trade, stop loss above. Something like, let me just remove this. Something like this, okay? After you see a bearish engulfing, take your trade and target a 1 to 3, 1 to 2, like that. That is what we're waiting for Euro USD. So CHF JPY is pulling back. Remember, this pair is moving on a very bullish trend, okay? It's moving on a bullish trend. We're actually in a trade in this pair, but we're stopped out in profit last week. We're stopped out in profit. So what you need to know is that CHF JPY is in a very, very strong bullish trend. Okay, this is a strong bullish trend. So whatever you see as a red candle on the weekly chart is a pullback. So what we are expecting is it may pull again this week, just slightly, then it will continue upwards. Okay, that's what you can expect, because there is a demand zone. This red candle is a weekly demand. Okay, the weekly demand zone. So just wait for it. Let's check the 4-hour chart. Let's check the 4-hour chart. Okay, so that yellow area there, that yellow area is a demand zone that you can wait for CHF JPY to come to before you can place your buy trades on the 4-hour chart, and then you hold long term, because this pair is going to really trade for a long time on an uptrend. Okay, so without taking any longer, guys, hope you can take value from this. Analyze, do your own analysis. You can use this as a yardstick to look at your own analysis. Yeah, until next time, guys, please like the video, subscribe, and share this video. Till next time, guys,